I greet you all. Welcome to my FM News. Today I'm going to update you about Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs are targeting new midfielder. Kaizer Chiefs seems to be regarding a strong season. Champions from DStv Diski Challenge, including Kabelo Keswa, Thulani Mabaso, and Darlan Mahambe, will join the first team for pre-season, along with Nkosana Mbuthu and Manqoba Oseyama. Kaizer Chiefs are eyeing a talented midfielder whose contract with Sundowns ending. If he doesn't sign an extension, Mbule might join Kaizer Chiefs. The club is reported to close signing Fabian Pasedama, Felix Salam, and Sterling Nwabali. Coach Nasedina Nabi and his team will assess the players during pre-season. With this development, Kaizer Chiefs indeed become a formidable side to face next season. For more football updates, kindly subscribe to my channel.